Today, we're making a delicious Mediterranean chicken soup. First, add 1 onion, a few cloves of garlic, and 2 chicken breasts into a pot. Pour in some water and let it boil until the chicken is cooked. Once it's done, strain the broth and take the chicken pieces out. We don't need the onion and garlic anymore. Shred the chicken into small pieces and set aside. Now let's prepare the soup seasoning mixture. In a bowl. Add 1 egg yolk, a spoon of yogurt, and the juice of half a lemon. Mix it well. Then add a spoonful of flour, and some crushed garlic. Don't pour this mixture directly into the hot soup. It might curdle. Instead, slowly add some of the hot chicken broth into the mixture while stirring. After it's well mixed, pour it into the soup pot and stir continuously while it boils. When it starts to boil, add the shredded chicken pieces. Finally, add salt, but only at the end, or the mixture may curdle. Once it's ready, pour the soup into a bowl. In a small pan, melt some butter, add sweet red pepper. And drizzle it on top. And that's it. Our cozy and comforting chicken soup is ready. Enjoy!